everyone, welcome back to a new video on MistryMakes. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about the kind of Goose jacket that I just bought recently. I was contemplating about it for a good little while and I really did need a new jacket. The weather in Toronto this year hasn't been that great. Last week was basically in the negatives. It almost reached up to probably minus like 30-40 with the wind chill. So it gets really cold up here and of course you need something to keep you warm. So I thought, why not just invest in it and buy myself a Canada Goose jacket. So it'll also last me a really long time. It also has lifetime warranty, so if anything happens to it I can always send it in and they'll make the fixes and send it back. So the jacket I got was none other than the women's Trillium Parka. So as you can see, it's sitting right here next to me. So it is a parka and I wanted a long jacket. For once, all my life I've always gotten like bombers or something short just because I am short and I never really thought that parkas look good on me. So I'm like, okay, let me try it out. It will keep more of me warm. So it's a really nice jacket. This is actually one of the ones that I really did like at first when I was searching for jackets. Of course, after the bomber, I would definitely get the bomber if parkas didn't exist. So the other option that I was looking at was the Victoria Parka. So when I tried it on and I compared the differences between the two jackets, so the Trillium Parka was a lot more warmer than the Victoria Parka. Even when I put on the Victoria Parka, I noticed that it wasn't very poofy or thick, you know, like, and with this kind of weather I thought I would stick with the Trillium Parka. So I actually got this jacket for $895 Canadian, which after tax came up to about $1,011. The Victoria Parka, on the other hand, was I believe $20 or $25 less than this one. So not much of a big difference, but I thought I'd go with this one. So when I went to the Canada Goose store, they only had 3 of the Trillium Parkas left. I was actually very fortunate to get one with a nice fur and no defects on it. The other 2 that I had tried on had more of a gold, a yellow goldish fur, and I didn't really like that. This was the one I settled on. It has white, gray, and a little bit of brown in it, but overall it's really nice fur. It's a really nice jacket. I've been wearing it the past week and it honestly is really warm. Anyways, now I'm going to show you how it looks on body. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I have a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you know when I upload. So please do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. MistryMakes out.